Hi guys, it's that time of the month again. No, not that time. Birchbox time. Now, I've only just got it today in the post, so I am sorry this is going up late. But this is what we have. Oops. So we'll put the book to the side because we don't want to read anything in it right now. Put the box to the side and we'll deal with things one at a time. So, okay, donate if you can. The Floyd family have set up a GoFundMe page. For Change, Justice for George Floyd petition has become the most popular ever in the US. Your signature counts. Research and learn. Here's some of our reading list. Okay. For the month of June, we plan to acknowledge our American heritage. As we all know, a lot is happening right now in the US and the UK. We are without all of the right words. We are sad, angry and at a loss that this is part of our reality. We stand with everyone who is hurting. We stand with the families who have lost loved ones. We stand for anti-racism and we stand for a wake-up call. We need to have this conversation everywhere until violence and loss of life are no longer needed to protect the basic rights of the black community. To start, we have made donations to Black Lives Matter, the George Floyd Memorial Fund, Brooklyn Bail Fund, Reclaim the Block and Black Visions Collective. But this is just the beginning. We are committed to continuing and sharing our education and fighting justice. Additionally, we encourage you to support where you can, even if it's a small action. It counts. Okay, so there is the address, the web address if you would like to donate. I'll leave it on the page. You can press pause and copy that. Right, let's start. We have a Magnatone London Wipe-Out Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. Removes makeup with just water. I like the cleansing cloths and I have got a few. Discover Supernaturals. Magnatone.co.uk. Ooh. I've got one, well it's similar to that, it's not the same, but I've got one of them and I love it. It's so nice on your skin. Right, let's have a wee look at this. Oh, it's tiny. To be honest, I've not been funny, but that looks like it's been used and it's dirty. I know it isn't. I mean, it's totally fresh, but just the colour that they've chosen, it looks really grubby. But I won't know how it works until I use it, and I've actually got what is it? A cleansing cloth out right now in the bathroom, so I won't be using this right away. But let me know if you would like an update on this. So that is that. Cleansing cloth. I don't think it'll be any different to any of the other cleansing cloths I've tried. I hope it'll be just as good. Personally, I like the cleansing cloths because they're quite gentle on your skin, these ones. Do you know the fluffy, furry ones? What is this? Winky Lux Peeper Perfect. Light bead. It must be a concealer. Winky Lux. Let's have a look. I think that'd be quite a good colour for under my eyes, you know. If it is a concealer, there's no smell to it. Absolutely no smell whatsoever. I don't know if it's a concealer or if it's just a wee eye cream. It's kind of skin toned. We shall see. We shall see. High Performance Hair Care. Sugar Texturising Spray. Well, my hair's pretty long and out of control, so a wee bit texturising spray would maybe make it look like it's supposed to be like that. Oh, let's fucking open it. Jeezy peeps. It's quite fresh. It's strong. You can smell floral in it. But it smells nice enough. It's not horrible. So I will give that a wee try as well. Shame I've just washed my hair. It's still a wee bit damp, but not damp enough to use that. Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute Peel for instantly smoother, brighter, softer skin. This is not a mask. The peel is a clear gel. Peel upper half of face and then start over and peel lower half of face. Spread the gel thinly over damp skin with damp hands, perhaps in the shower. as a small amount of water is required for proper activation. Immediately begin massaging the entire area in a circular motion. Apply light to medium pressure, ensure proper contact, but do not rub your skin. Alright. Within 15 to 20 seconds, solids should form under the fingertips. The solids you feel are a combination of the peel and the epidermal tissue. The peel is applied as a gel and removed as small solids. After having combined with the dead tissue, massage for 2 to 3 minutes to ensure that all of the product has combined with as much dead skin as possible and that no peel has been wasted. Wash face, rinse and begin second half of face. Peel once per week for normal skin or as often as 3 times weekly to prevent acne. Never heard of this before. Any of you lot used this? Come on. There is a smell, but you have to get really, really close to pick it up. Aye, it's very faint, very mild, but it smells pleasant enough when you finally catch a whiff of it. And finally for this box, you have Patchology Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. Apply, take 5 and go. Place 1 pair of gels onto clean, dry under eye area for 5 minutes. Discard after use and massage remaining serum into skin. Sounds easy enough. Okay, so we'll give this a wee try at some point. Here's my wee booklet then. There it's there. Okay, let's figure out the prices of these things. So, the Real Chemistry, the full size of this is £48. I'm assuming that's not full size product. Can't be. No, it's not, I can tell. There's the picture of the full size one. Excuse me. So the full size of that is £48. The eye patches are £14. This is a full size product. So that is, yeah, I think you're only getting 1 pack in it. So yeah, that's full size, so that's £14 for that. The cleansing cloth is £20. I'm not sure if this is full size or if it's just to be sample size because it is quite small. But yeah, that full size for that is £20. The texture spray, £18 for a full size. I'm trying to figure out how much you're getting. You're getting 4.9 fluid ounce in the full size. And you've got 1 fluid ounce here, so you can imagine what the full size is going to be like. So yeah, that's worth £18 full size. And the Winky Lux definitely is not full size. Yeah, it is a concealer. It looks like it comes in 4 shades, which isn't great to be honest, for a company like Winky Lux, which I see is quite a high-end brand. I don't know if anybody else does, but £14 for an under eye concealer, I would class that as a high-end brand. And 4 shades isn't good enough. It really isn't. So yeah, £14 for the full size one. This Winky Lux full coverage concealer will diffuse the look of uneven skin tone, blemishes and other imperfections. Its formula contains collagen, hyaluronic acid, grapeseed extract, olive oil and vitamin E to keep your under eye hydrated, awake and crease free. We shall see. Crease free? Challenge accepted. Okay, so if there's anything you specifically want to see me play about with in this box this month, let me know. I'm quite happy with it. It's not the perfect box I would have picked for myself, but I'm not unhappy with the products at all. Yeah, I'll definitely use them all. This is probably the one that I won't use all that much because I'm not wearing makeup very much just now. However, there we go. And what do you think of the box? It's obviously for, it's the June box, but they've made it American theme. So it's not for the 4th of July, but it's an American theme. So what do you think of that? I like that there's a plain side on the other side. I like that, because you don't get that on other boxes. So yeah, very nice. there we go. Let me know, did you get a box this month? Did you get the same products? Did you get different products? Are you happy with it? If not, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next month.